This is a router that I thought I burned up. I mean, I don't know yet. I'm fixing to find out. But what happened is the spring that holds this little doodad, I'll think of the name of it, brush, onto the armature, somehow broke. So anyway, we're going to take that one off. Of course, we got to unside of this. Take that off, put a new spring on there, stick it back in, and by golly, we're going to see if it's going to work. I mean, you try to save your $300 routers if you can. There we go. Let me see what kind of springs I've got. I got all kinds of springs in here, big ones, little ones, tiny ones, fat ones. All kinds. I'm sure out of all these I'm going to find something. By golly, I think I've got the... Oh, wait a minute. No, I got a piece missing. I started to say that's the exact match, but no, not quite. We have this end that goes on there. So we're still looking. Yeah. We can make that one work. All I gotta do is just cut it off. I mean, I'd rather have... I mean, I could probably stretch this one, but we'll just cut this one. I'm gonna call it right there. Okay. I've got to hold this spring back. Let's see if we can get this thing soldered on there. Alrighty. Okay. Now where's my cap? Alright, by golly. Let's flip it on and see what happens. Hot dog! Got us to working. Man, am I glad of that. Before there was this huge fireball up in here, which that's a pretty good indication that either the armature or the brushes are gone. And in this case it was the brushes. And I'm so glad to have my good router. This is one of those 3-horse routers, and if anybody's in the woodworking business, they know a 3-horsepower router is very expensive. And of course they're expensive because they will last an extremely long time because they're so well built. Alrighty, onward to the next project.